got some new car alerts, and let's open them today. But hold on, we have to see what it is. Okay, so first one we got the Audi e-tron GT. Next we got the 2015 Mazda MX5 Miata. Let's open it. First we're opening this one.
She asked if we still locked in. I said the next month. I said she used to like me. I said, why ain't say nothing? You ain't get into it. My niggas roll running. Don't be pressed about that bitch. I don't want her. She is not shit. One place she won't be is on my dick. Made money, my business nigga, and that's it. She only fucking for the paper. Let the cash hit.
She said, are you still in Google?
I'm G the fuck up. Nigga, money on the last shit. She really never
look at the review.
like she average. Yeah, the girl cute.
I really like this car because, like, I never got it on my body before. But now let's open the other one. Let's open it.
Did you need something o qué pasó?
No, me le facturando mucho de que pagaste.
Es que fui para Mimi wanted apple juice. I forgot. So I went to go get that real quick. And then I was trying to figure out what my Apple Watch is doing that. Because it was doing it in the store también. Pararon a alguien.
Okay.
Are polices out allowed to speed?
And then para alguien.
And we got the Audi
Yes,
e-tron
police
GT. Bye guys.